Smeta Counter Depth French Door Refrigerator 36-inch Bottom Freezer. Smeta is a widely recognized name in the refrigeration industry. It has been making bottom freezers for quite a while now. Each of the company's models received positive reviews from people, and this one is no different. Some users even say that this is the best freezer refrigerator in Smeta's vast list of products. This refrigerator is considered the best overall and is ideal for people who want to store multiple items. Its 36-inch depth is more than sufficient to serve its purpose. You will find very few bottom freezers that offer cooling as instant as this one. It is perfect for freezing fresh fruit and vegetables. You can even make your favorite dessert in it. Furthermore, the device has excellent LED lighting, which activates as soon as you open its door. Besides the superb cooling and modern features, the freezer drawers in this device are quite spacious. You can utilize them to organize your food without any hassle. What's even more impressive about this French door refrigerator is that it doesn't require much maintenance. All you need to do is check up on it every once in a while and make the necessary fixes, and you will prolong its life significantly. Pros: energy efficient, frost-free, stainless steel exterior, fingerprint resistant, excellent LED lights. Cons: the refrigerator slightly protrudes. Its warranty is slightly short.